Hi friends, this is Professor Prashant. Today we are starting with numericals of second chapter, that is motion in one dimension for standard 9th, right? Part A, numericals. We are doing only numericals. What is the first numerical says? The speed of car is 72 km per hour expressed 18 meter per second. Now what is given? V is given 72 km per hour, right? I want to convert this into meter per second. So we have since 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So I will write here, therefore V is equal to 72 into 5 by 18. That comes out to be 1 za 4 za, that is 20 meter per second is the conversion. This is the first question. Second question is given, V is given as 15 meter per second. I want to convert this into kilometer per hour. Now since we have 1 meter per second is equal to ulta, it is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So I will write this is V equal to, this is 15 into 18 by 5. 1 za 3 za, that is 54 kilometer per hour. This is the second question. Third one, express each of the following in meter per second, right? Third one, first is given, express each of the following. Say A, V is given as 1 kilometer per hour. Kilometer matlab 10,000, per hour matlab 3600, that is 5 by 18, right? That comes out to be 0.278 meter per second. This is the first part. Second is given as V as 18 kilometer per minute. Kilometer, that is 18 meter is 1000 upon minute is 60, right? If you solve this 1 za 3 za, that comes out to be 300 meter per second. This is the third one, right? Check the fourth one. What is given in fourth? You have arranged the following speed in increasing order of meter per second, kilometer per minute and this. Okay. So it is first 10 meter per second is given, right? Second it is given, I will write this is V1. V2 is given as 1 kilometer per minute. So 1 kilometer per minute means is 1000 upon 60. Right, this is 1000 upon 60, right? This is 0. How much it comes out to be? Something meter per second, right? V3 will be, it is kilometer per hour, that is 18 kilometer per hour. So 80 into 5 by 18, that comes out to be 5 meter per second, right? Now arrange the following speed in increasing order. Increasing order means it start with lowest, right? It start with lowest. So here it will be, first is this, second will be this 10 meter per second, and third will be something this, right? So it will be order, increasing order. It will be first it's V3, then it is V1, and next will be it is V2. So I will write here, therefore it is first will be your 18 kilometer per hour, second will be your V1, that is 10 meter per second, and third will be, that is 1 kilometer per minute, right? This is the third one, right? Fifth one, a train takes 3 hours to travel. So fifth question, time is given which is 3 hours. From Agra to Delhi with a uniform speed of V is given, that is 65 kilometer per hour, right? This is the speed. Find the distance between these two cities, that it be S is the distance or displacement. Now since we have V is equal to S upon T, where S is equal to V into T, 65 into 3, that comes out to be 195 kilometer, right? This is about finding this. Now check the next one. Just rub this part. Now sixth one. For the sixth numerical, check what is given. A car first 30 km move with the speed of 60 km per hour and next 30 km with a uniform speed of 40 km per hour. Calculate the total time of journey and average speed. Right? Here I will write S1 is 30 km. V1 is given as 60 km per hour. Right? S2 is 30 km. V2 is given as 40 km per hour. Right? Calculate the total time of journey and average speed. So here, since your V1 is equal to S1 upon T1, so I will write here T1 is equal to S1 upon V1. S1 is how much? 30. Right? V1 is 60, that is equal to half an hour. Right? Which is written as 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. Now, since V2 is S2 upon T2, so I can write here T2 is equal to S2 upon V2. S2 is 30 upon 40. This is what? 3 by 4 hours, which is 45 minutes. Right? So I can write here, therefore total time will be what? T is equal to T1 plus T2, which is equal to, this is 30 plus 45. 45, that comes out to be 75 minutes. In hours, it is 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, which is equal to 5 by 4 hours. Right? 1 hour 15 minutes. So I will write here average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. Right? Total distance will be what? It is 30 plus 30 upon, this is 5 by 4, it is 60 into 4 upon 5. Right? That comes out to be 48 km per hour. Right? This is about 6th. Now 7th देखो. 7. A train takes 2 hours to reach station B from station A and 3 hours to return from station B to station A. The distance between two cities is 200 km. Find the average speed. Right? 7th में your T1 is given, which is 2 hours. T2 is given, which is 3 hours. Right? Distance between two cities is 200 km. Right? So find the average speed. Average speed is equal to first total distance upon total time. Total distance will be 400 km. Total time will be 2 plus 3, which is hours. 400 upon 5, right, kilometer per hour. That comes out to be 80 km per hour. This is 80 km per hour. That is the average speed. What is the average velocity? Now, since we write here, since displacement of body is 0, because train is again coming back to the same point, therefore your average velocity will be 0. Average velocity will be 0. Right? Just check the next part. 7th. We'll go with the 8th one. Now in 8th question, what is given? Just check. Now 8th, what is given? A car is moving on a straight path, covers a distance of 1 km due east, that is towards east, in 100 seconds. So here your displacement is given 1 km, that is equal to 1000 meter, time is given as 100 seconds, right? What is the speed and velocity? Now first part में speed is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 1000, time is 100, which comes out to be 10 meter per second, right? So second part, velocity is equal to displacement upon time, but my displacement is 1000 again upon 100, that is 10 meter per second, due east or towards east, and this is about the 8th question. Now check the 9th one and go with 9th. Now from this point onwards the questions are little different. 9th check करो क्या दिया हुआ है. What is 9th? In 9th question it is given a body start from rest. So when they say from rest, मतलब initial velocity will be 0, acquires a velocity of v दिया हुआ है, that is final velocity 10 meter per second, and time is given as what, 2 seconds. Time कितना दिया हुआ है, 2 seconds. Find the acceleration. तो क्या होगा, since v is equal to, so directly I can write a is equal to v minus u upon t, right? V का value कितना, it is 10, u is 0 upon 2, that is 5 meter per second square. This will be the acceleration, right? Check the 10th one. What is given in 10th question? A car starting from rest acquires a velocity of 180 meter per second. That is, v is given 180 meter per second, right? Time दिया हुआ है, that is 0.05 hours, right? I want to convert this into time second में करना है, तो 0.05 into 3600, that comes out to be 180 seconds, right? What they want here is the acceleration, a they want, so we can write a is equal to v minus u upon t. Right here the body starting from rest, so initial velocity is का 0 रहेगा, right? So this is 180 minus 0 upon 180, that comes out to be, where I am writing this is equal to 1 meter per second square, right? This is about the 10th one. Now check the 11th sum, right? 11th sum में क्या दिया है? In 11th, a body is moving vertically upwards. Its velocity changes at a constant rate from, say v1 is given, that is 50 meter per second, right? 2, मतलब v2 दिया हुआ है 20 meter per second, right? In time t दिया हुआ है 3 second. Time कितना दिया हुआ है, 3 second. What is the acceleration? For in that case, a is equal to, this is u, this is v, right? And this is your t. So I can write this is v, final velocity, v2 minus v1 upon t, right? v2 कितना हो गया हमारा, that is 20 minus 50 upon 3, that is minus 30 upon 3, which is minus 10 meter per second square, right? Now your negative sign shows it is retardation, right? So your negative sign shows retardation. Negative sign shows retardation, right? So I can write therefore retardation is equal to 10 meter per second square. If I am writing retardation, then there will be no negative sign, right? Check the next one. This is 11. Now we will go with 12 onwards. Now just check. What is the 12th question? In 12th question, a toy car initially moving with uniform velocity of, right? It is a toy car. Initial velocity is given. Uniform velocity, that is u is given, right? that is 18 kilometer per hour. You have to convert this into meter per second. So it is 18 into 5 by 18. That comes out to be 5 meter per second. It come to rest at the v equal to 0. In time t दिया हुआ है 2 second. Right? Find the retardation. Right? Retardation they want. That is they want acceleration. So I can write here a is equal to, it is v minus u upon t. V is 0, u will be 5 minus 5 upon t will be what? 2. So this is minus 2.5 meter per second square. I will write here negative sign shows retardation. So I can write here therefore retardation is equal to, it is 2.5 meter per second square, right? It is retardation 2.5 meter per second square. It's 13 देखो. What is given in 13? Now in 13th question, check what is given. A car accelerates at the rate of 5 meter per second square. मतलब a is given 5 meter per second square, right? Find the increase in velocity in 2 seconds. T is equal to 2 seconds. Increase in velocity मतलब v minus u is question mark. Right? We have, since a is equal to v minus u upon t, so I can write here v minus u is equal to a into t. A का value is what? 5. T का value is 2. That is 10 meter per second. That is what? Increase in velocity. Right? Check the 14th one. What is given in 14? A car is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Right? So u is given 20 meter per second. Then the brakes are applied and it is applied to retard it at the rate of, a is given, retardation is minus 2 meter per second square. Right? What will be the velocity after 5 seconds? T is given as 5 seconds. What will be the velocity? V पूछा. Right? So write here v is equal to u plus at. This is the equation. Right? Here v as it is, u is 20 plus a, instead of a I am writing minus 2, t will be what? 5. So this is 20 minus 10, that is 10 meter per second. Right? This is the 14. Now just take the 15th one. What is given 15? In 15, a bicycle is initially moving with the velocity, that is u is given 5 meter per second, right? Accelerates for it is 5 seconds. T is equal to 5 seconds, right? At the rate of, a is given as 2 meter per second square. What will be the final velocity? V they want. Right? So we write here v is equal to u plus at. So this is u is 5 plus a will be 2 into t will be what? 5. This is 5 plus 10, which is 15 meter per second. And this is about the 15. And now we'll go with the last one, that is the 16. Check this part properly. Important sum. Now in 16, check what is given. A car is moving in a straight line with a speed of, that is u is given 18 kilometer per hour. So it is 18 into 5 by 18, that comes out to be 5 meter per second. Right? It is stopped in, the v equal to 0. Time is given as how much? 5 seconds. Right? There are two times. So I will write this is t is equal to 5 seconds. Find the speed of car in first. This is first part, we have already finished. Second part में retardation. And third में पूछा है कि what is the speed of car after 2 seconds. मतलब t1 is equal to 2 seconds. v1 they want. Right? The first second part के लिए you write here v is equal to u plus at. This is your 0. U is how much? 5. A is unknown. T is what? 5. So I can write this is phi is equal to minus phi a. So let here a is equal to minus 1 meter per second, right? So here I will write negative sign shows what retardation. So I can write here therefore retardation is equal to 1 meter per second, right? In the next part they want what is the velocity at the end of 2 seconds. So v1 is equal to u plus a t1. U का value is same, that is 5. A is minus 1. T1 is what? 2. So this is 5 minus 2. That is 3 meter per second. That's it for this video. We'll do the remaining question of part C in the next lecture. Thank you.